Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on graphic design. Today, we'll be discussing what graphic design is, its history, the various fields within it, the tools used, and its importance in modern society. Part 1. What is graphic design? Graphic design is the art and practice of creating visual content to communicate ideas, information, or messages to an audience. Graphic designers use typography, color, images, and other elements to create logos, brochures, posters, websites, and other forms of visual media. The goal of graphic design is to effectively communicate the intended message to the audience in a visually appealing manner. Part 2. The history of graphic design. Graphic design has a rich history dating back to prehistoric times, where cave paintings were used to communicate stories and ideas. The first forms of graphic design as we know it today began to emerge during the Industrial Revolution, where posters, billboards, and packaging designs were used to advertise products and services. In the early 20th century, the art movements of Art Nouveau, Bauhaus, and Art Deco heavily influenced graphic design, and artists began experimenting with new styles and techniques. With the advent of computers and digital technology in the late 20th century, graphic design became more accessible and allowed designers to create more complex and intricate designs than ever before. Part 3. Fields of graphic design. Graphic design is a diverse field with several subdisciplines, including branding and identity design. This involves designing logos, business cards, letterheads, and other materials that represent a company's brand identity. Print design. This involves designing brochures, flyers, magazines, and other printed materials. Web design. This involves designing websites and digital interfaces for desktop and mobile devices. Motion graphics. This involves creating animated graphics and videos for use in films, television, and other forms of media. User experience (UX) design. This involves designing user interfaces and experiences for digital products such as apps and websites. Part 4. Tools used in graphic design. Graphic designers use a variety of tools to create their designs, both traditional and digital. Some of the most common tools include sketchbooks and pencils, used to sketch out initial ideas and concepts. Graphic tablets, used to draw digitally and create designs. Adobe Creative Suite, a collection of software programs such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign used to create and manipulate digital images. 3D modeling software, used to create 3D models and renderings. Part 5. Importance of graphic design. Graphic design plays a crucial role in modern society. It is used in advertising to create brand awareness and drive sales. It is used in the entertainment industry to create visual effects and animations. It is used in education to create visually engaging materials for students. Graphic design is also used in social media and digital marketing to create visually appealing content that captures the attention of audiences. Conclusion. In conclusion, graphic design is a fascinating field that has a rich history and is constantly evolving. It plays an important role in modern society, and its impact can be seen in advertising, entertainment, education, and many other fields. As technology continues to advance, the role of graphic design will only continue to grow, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for this exciting and creative field. Thank you for watching. If you like this video then please like and comment this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.